y'all, Southern Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having an absolutely wonderful day. Thank you so much for being here. I do truly appreciate it. If you are new, please go ahead and hit subscribe. We would love to have you join us here on our YouTube channel. And thank you so much to everyone returning. I do appreciate it. Please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and leave a comment below. I love talking with you guys. As you can see from the description, we do have our December 2018 Simply Earth. I love this subscription because, as you can see, it is essential oils. You guys, I love essential oils. What I love about this subscription is they send you every month 4 different oils, but they send you like recipe cards of things you can do with the oils, because a lot of people don't realize you can do so much more than just diffuse essential oils, or, you know, if you have a headache or something, rub one on, you know, on your temples or things like that. There's so many more things you could do. So they not only send you the 4 essential oils and the recipe cards, they send you pretty much everything you need to do it, other than maybe some common household items. So that is super awesome. So I am ready to dive in here and see what December is all about. So, all right. This is what it looks like when we first open it. There are always these stickers on top. So when you actually make the products with the recipe cards, you have these stickers that you can put on there. So I just noticed a sticker. The best way to share Christmas joy is diffusing oils for all to enjoy. Right here. That is really cute. All right, so we have our recipe cards right here. And then here we have our 4 oils and supplies. So let's see, it looks like our oils this month are, we have clove right here. Get it out. Oh, okay. Breathe Easy. I wonder what that, I know what clove smells like, but I want to see what the Breathe, I'm not sure what the Breathe Easy is. Well, it works. I'm not quite sure what that is, but it works. Patchouli. So we have that. Oh, and we have my favorite, you guys. We have peppermint. All right, so I am excited to see what some of these cards are. Let's see, because we've got some interesting looking supplies here. And just so you know, when you first sign up with Simply Earth, you receive your first month's essential oil recipe box, which, like I said, is the 4 oils, it's usually 6 recipe cards, and generally, like I said, aside from maybe some household supplies, everything you need to make all of these items. But I'm going to put down below a link and a coupon code, Southern Mom. And that will get you not only your first month with the 4 oils and the recipe cards and everything, it will also give you a big bonus box. And the big bonus box comes with like empty roll-on bottles, carrier oils, which are actually very important, coconut and almond oil, when doing some of these recipes, and then just all kinds of stuff, you know, empty little bottles where if you want to, you know, mix to make a blend, all kinds of great stuff, and a $20 e-gift card back to Simply Earth, and that all is $39. So with the code Southern Mom, you will get all of that for $39, and it is amazing. So the first recipe I see here is for congestion support roll-on. And this is 3 drops of peppermint, essential oil, 3 drops of the Breathe Easy, some almond oil, which, like I said, that would be in the big bonus box because it's the carrier oil, and a 10 milliliter roll-on bottle. So that comes in the big bonus box as well. So right there you have everything you need to make this. And the instructions are there as well. Ooh. All right. The next one is Vanilla Mint Lip Scrub. And this you would need 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of granulated sugar, 1/8 of a teaspoon of vanilla extract, half a teaspoon of the fractionated coconut oil, that is also in your big bonus box, 1 drop of peppermint essential oil, and a 1/3 of an ounce jar. So you basically would just mix everything together and you'd put it in the jar. So there is that. I may have to do that one. And then we have Breathe Easy bath salts. That is 5 drops of the Breathe Easy essential oil blend, 1 cup of Epsom salt, half a tablespoon of the fractionated coconut oil. Again, that is one of the items in the bonus box. You can add food coloring if you want to, it says, and then you would need a small jar. So again, the instructions are there. These are some really awesome recipes. Cold Support Chest Rub, 1 tablespoon of beeswax, 1/4 cup of coconut oil solid, 8 drops of the Breathe Easy essential oil, 4 drops of the patchouli, and a small jar. And like I said, most of the products, if they are not in this box, they're going to have been in the big bonus box when you first sign up if you use the code below, except for a few things, like obviously the brown sugar, things like that, like I said, are common household items. So that is really, really awesome. And let's see, a Trim the Tree diffuser blend. This is 2 drops of the clove and 1 drop of the patchouli. So this just kind of tells you how to make your house smell like Christmas, which is awesome. And then the last one is a Tension Relief Bath Bomb. Let's see. 1/2 cup of baking soda, 1/4 cup of cornstarch, 1/4 cup of Epsom salt, 1/4 cup of citric acid, 1 tablespoon of goat milk powder, 2 tablespoons of solid coconut oil, 5 drops of patchouli, 3 drops of peppermint, and 2 drops of clove. It says water. It says it's helpful if it's in a spray bottle. And the bath bomb mold. And then there are directions. And the directions actually continue onto the back. So this, I was wondering, we had some really interesting looking items here. So this would be your bath bomb mold. How awesome is that to make your own bath bomb? Let's see. Like here we have the goat milk powder. Here we have the citric acid. And then this, I'm assuming, is for the lip scrub. You can put it right in here once you make it. So that's really awesome. And like I said, the big bonus box with your first order comes with so many of those carrier oils. It does come with some other, I want to say it came with the beeswax and things like that, and the little bottles for the roll-on and different blends, and really pretty much everything you need, like I said, except for, some common household items. So this is super awesome. I really like this month. I think that it's gonna be a lot of fun, and it has a lot of great ideas and recipes. I do want to say, because I think this is so awesome, Simply Earth does give 13% of their profits to a charity every month that helps to end human trafficking. I do want to tell you a little bit here. It does have about the charity that they chose for December. Well, right here it says, each month Simply Earth supports an organization working to end human trafficking with 13% of our monthly profits. When you shop Simply Earth, you are changing lives. This month, you are doing it alongside Freedom Journey. Freedom's Journey, it says, a wife, mother, and grandmother are now running Freedom's Journey. This organization exists to help survivors of all forms of human trafficking navigate the journey from slavery to freedom through relationships and collaboration. Freedom's Journey has seen growth in just 10 months with the support from their community, financial sponsors, and of course, the victories of the survivors. So I think that is super awesome. Not only are you getting a wonderful subscription, especially if you love, being a little crafty and the essential oils, but you are giving back to an amazing cause every month. So like I said, I just really, really love that. And I am going to tell you just a little bit more here about each oil. So the Breathe Easy, it is a blend. It is a combination of fir needle, frankincense, cedar wood, and myrrh, M-Y-R-R-H, myrrh. I'm probably butchering that. I apologize. Besides carrying a great aroma for Christmas, this oil clears nasal passages, allowing you to breathe easy. And then peppermint. It says, I bet you can guess what this oil smells like. Its sharp scent is great for increasing focus and energy. Peppermint essential oil has a cooling sensation, great for relieving headache and pain from inflammation. Patchouli essential oil, originally used to deter insects from Indian silks as they sent to the British Empire. This oil has a sweet and musky scent, great for calming nervous tension. It's also great for improving skin appearance. And then the clove essential oil. Clove comes from the plant you likely use as a spice in your holiday cooking. This oil helps focus, promotes confidence, and helps fight seasonal illness. So there's so many benefits to essential oils. It's just amazing. And this Breathe Easy, it's the only one I actually opened because the others, I kind of know. But it does, awesome. So I will make sure to put everything down below for you guys. Like I said, Simply Earth is $39 a month. You get the 4 essential oils, fun recipe cards, and all the ingredients. Like I said, except for common household items to make everything. And if you use the code down below, it will get you your first month for $39 with your regular box, the big bonus box, and a $20 e-gift card back to Simply Earth. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Again, please do give me a big thumbs up if you like the video and leave a comment. I would love to talk with you guys. I hope you all have a great day, and I will talk with you soon. Bye.